There's way more geek stores than I expected, and a lot of surprising and unusual sights hidden away. Hello explorers, it's our last day in Utrecht and I want to show you all the must-see sights and all the pop culture highlights as we explore this amazing city. I'm really excited to check out some of these. Hopefully we'll have enough time to fit it all in. Should we get going? So this is Utrecht, the fourth largest city in the Netherlands. It took us about 45 minutes to get here from Amsterdam. Though it's a lot calmer, less touristy, and a lot greener than I found Amsterdam to be. There's lots here to check out: canals, restaurants, medieval and historical buildings, including the site behind me, the Dom Tower. The tallest church tower in the Netherlands, 112.5 metres high, and it's considered a symbol of Utrecht. The tower is part of St Martin's Cathedral, also known as the Dom Church. While we're here, we'll have a little look around, but what are your sites? What kind of attractions do you go to when you're on holiday? Let me know in the comments below. Yesterday we went to the Central Museum. We saw a small exhibition about Dick Braun. He was the creator of Miffy, the little children's rabbit. But right behind me is quite a cool, unusual site which we're going to have a look at right now. Just come out of Spellenwinkel, or Tullab Spellenwinkel board game store. Really cool, very big, kind of cavernous space with lots of archways full of all sorts of bits and pieces and really nicely decorated. Then immediately to the right of it is Blunderstrips, a really good comic book store. The cheery owner of Blunderstrips wouldn't even let me film in there, so you should still go in because it's a really cool store and you should support it, but don't expect to be able to take any nice pictures. Disappointing. We're going to have a little wander around, take a break from the hobby stores, and then get back to those towards the end of the video. It'd be fun to come down to the Udegaard. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's the Dutch word for Old Canal, or the canals. The canal side is divided into two areas. You've got the cellars, which are right behind me. Those are a mix of actually accommodation, some bars and restaurants, and then you've got the wharf, which is the standing bit that I'm on right now. And then the other interesting parts are the Snotnosen, translates to runny nose, which are the drain pipes. You get all the green water weeds blocking up the ends. Then right below all the street lights on the canal side, each one has got a sculpture or a piece of art. The canal has been a great aspect of Utrecht. So I'll have a bit more walk along the canal and then we'll get back up on the main street to see what else is there. decided to take up residence on a little canal side bench. It's such nice weather and such a nice day, and the canals are so enjoyable to sit by. It's been a real highlight of the holiday, just chilling out and sitting on the canal side, watching the world go by. Keeping us company, just across the canal, you can see we've got a little Space Invader watching over us before we head back out to those Geek stores. Alien attack. The Martians are coming. Behind me is a building called the Ink Pot, and on top is a bit of an unusual feature from an exhibition called Panorama 2000, themed around art that's to be viewed from a distance. Should we go take a closer look? Utrecht has been a really great city to explore. There's loads of cool geeky stores and sites, so many that we just haven't managed to fit them all in. Aside from the Comic Con, the best thing about this trip has been the people. They're really warm, welcoming and friendly, and the city itself, it's calm, peaceful, so relaxing and nice. So remember to take some time for yourself, and if you've enjoyed this, click left to see the Heroes Dutch Comic Con. See you soon, explorers!